Alright, so here we are on lesson 12 from ratio tables to double number line diagrams. So you should be on page 11 in your note packet. So today we're going to work on a different way to represent ratio tables, and we're going to use what's called a double number line. So exercise 2 says the amount of sugary beverages Americans consume is leading to health concerns. For a given brand of cola, a 12-ounce serving of cola contains about 40 grams of sugar. Complete the ratio table using the given ratio to find equivalent ones. Alright, so we know that the 12-ounce serving gives us 40 grams of sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to move to the right. Alright, and first we're going to put in the numbers 18 and 60. Okay, so to the right, we see that we have added 6. Alright, and we see that we have added 20 on the bottom. So now if we go to the left, alright, we're going to subtract 6 this time. So 12 minus 6 is 6, and 40 minus 20 is 20. Alright, so we're just going to leave that for now. Okay. Exercise 3 says a 1-liter bottle of cola contains approximately 27 fluid ounces. How many grams of sugar would be in a 1-liter bottle of the cola? Explain and show how you arrived at the solution. Alright, so we are going to draw our double number line. So to draw a double number line, you're going to start with a line here at the end, and then 2 lines coming out from it, all the way across. Hopefully I can draw straight lines. So we need to label the top. So the top is cola, which is in ounces, and the bottom is sugar, which is in grams. Alright, the first thing we can always put on here is zeros at the end of the number lines. Alright, so we are using the information from above, okay, to fill out our double number line. So now you're going to draw lines going down like this. Okay, leave some room to write at the ends. So our first number from the table, we know that for 6 ounces of cola, up here, maybe I'll do it in a different color. For 6 ounces of cola, we know that there are 20 grams of sugar. And then we know on the next line we're going to put for 12 ounces of cola, we know there's 40 grams. And then for 18 ounces, there are 60 grams. Alright, and if we keep going, if we add another 6 up here, we'd have 24. If we add another 6, we would have 30. On the bottom, we're adding 20 every time, so we'd have 80, and then 100. Alright, so that's our double number line. So it asks, if a 1-liter bottle has about 27 fluid ounces, so this is 27 somewhere in here, right? It says how many grams of sugar would be in that bottle. So 27 is right in the middle of 24 and 30. You can check that, right? 29, 28, 24, 25, 26. So that means we are going to look right in the bottom of the 80 and 100. And right in the middle of that is 90. So our answer would be 90 grams of sugar. Alright, so that's number 3. We're going to look at number 4 now. It says the school cafeteria has a restriction on the amount of sugary drinks available to students. Drinks may not have more than 30 grams of sugar. Based on this restriction, what is the largest size cola in ounces the cafeteria can offer? So we are using the same example as above. Okay, so we're going to draw our double number line. And our labels, again, are cola, which is ounces, and then sugar, which is grams. So we draw out our double number line. Same setup as before, same amount of lines, so go ahead and just try to copy it down from up above. And we always start the double number line with zeros on the ends, and then we had across the top 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30, and across the bottom we had 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So it says drinks may not have more than 30 grams of sugar. So we're going to place 30 grams on our number line. And 30 we know is going to be right in between 20 and 40. This is 30. Or I wrote 40. This is 30. Alright. And then we're going to look right in the middle of 6 and 12. And if we count 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that this is going to be 9. So to answer the question, it says, what is the largest size cola in ounces the cafeteria can offer? And we will say that the largest size would be 9 ounces. Alright, so that's our answer for number 4. We've got one more. We're going to look at number 5 here. And it says, for every 1 hour, you make $8.25. How many hours do you have to work in order to make $28? So we're drawing our double number line first. And our labels now, we're going to have hours on the top. And then we're going to have money on the bottom. We draw our 2 lines going out. Right, and then we always start with zeros on the ends. Alright, and let's start with 4 lines. 2, 3, 4. Alright, and the hours across the top we know is for every 1 hour, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the bottom we might need the calculator, so first is 8.25. So on the calculator, if you do 8.25 plus 8.25, we get 1650 here. And if you do that again, you get 24.75. And one more time, you get $33 even. So the question asks, how many hours do you have to work in order to make $28? So we are looking for $28, which is going to be somewhere in between here. So if we look in between, this is 28, so then we're going to look in between 3 and 4, so this would be 3.5, right, in between 3 and 4. So we would say that you would have to work I would say at least 3.5 hours. Alright, so that is it for number 12, double number lines, or for lesson 12, and we will do some more examples in class.